Hello everyone, it's Linda. One part of Knit and Crochet with Linda and June. Today we are celebrating us getting hitting 7,000 subscribers. So welcome to all our new subscribers, but also to all our long-standing subscribers. Thank you so much. Unfortunately June couldn't be here today, but I am this video is all about our saying thank you and our appreciation. We've got a gift away to for one of you lucky subscribers. All the rules, YouTube rules and regulations will be in the description box. You need to be 18 years and over. I can't remember. I've not done it for that long, but as I said, all the rules and regulations are in the description box below. Please do check them out. I will send the parcel to you if you are one of the lucky winners, if you are the lucky winner, but customs duty and that on your end is your responsibility. So what have I got? I have got one of our June's Sheila bags. It is the medium-sized Sheila bag, and it is in blues. You've got a pocket here, you've got a nice pocket here, and inside you've got a pocket, and then you've got pockets this side which you can put a hook, crochet hook in, and this side a little notebook and your notions, and of course it's got our logo on with our butterfly in honour of our mum. As you know, we all started our Disley Sisters creations in honour of our parents, Disley being our maiden name. And yes, and we seem to be doing really well. We've sent our bags all over the world, and if you're interested in purchasing one of our bags, then just email me, and our email address is in the description box below. But yeah, so this is one of the prizes, and then I've got 2 skeins of yarn. This is finger weight, and it is from Monochrome Earth Yarns, and it is a finger weight, 435 yards, 400 meters, 100 grams, and a 1 to 3 US needle, or a 2.25 to 3.25. So that's that colour. It's really nice. I'm hoping you can see. And then this one is called Fuchsia, and I think those 2 yarns look really nice together. There's some tones of this colour in this one which I thought would be really nice there. So this is hand-dyed British yarn, Bluebell yarns, and it's fuchsia, and it's a fingering weight as this one, and it's Falkland Corrierdale, spun in Yorkshire, dyed in Dorset, 100 grams, 400 meters, which is about 435 yards, gentle hand wash only. And yeah, so that is that, and that goes with the bag. And then of course we've got a little tin of notions, and inside the notions you've got a little keyring with crochet hooks on. You've got a tape measure, you've got a little box with stitch markers, and you've got 2 tapestry hooks, and they all fit in this little tin quite nicely. See, they all fit in there quite nicely, and that's the prize, guys. So I think we'll use that as the thumbnail. So what do I need for you to do? All I need for you to do really, guys, is just leave a comment. Leave a comment, a thumbs up, and share with your friends. And this will go through right until the end of May. The last Sunday in May, I will pick a winner, and then the winner will have a week to contact me with their details. So once again, thank you all so very much for supporting our June and I on our channel, and we hope you all have a fabulous month. June and I are away on holiday in May. We're going to Turkey, and so that's why this giveaway is going on for the whole of May to celebrate reaching 7k. I can't believe it, guys. When I started my channel all those years ago, that I would get to 7,000 subscribers. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not a lot, but for me, it's the world. So thank you all so very much. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. And I'll see you all with our June in the next video. Bye for now.